Golf Galaxy at Tuttle Crossing is located in Dublin, Ohio at 5740 Britton Parkway, just on the other side of Interstate 270 near the Tuttle Mall. The store has been a staple in Dublin for many years and offers a wide variety of services to help golfers of different ages and skill levels. At Golf Galaxy, they know every golfer is different. Although you may aspire to play like the pros, you want services that are tailored to your unique swing. The experts at Golf Galaxy in Dublin, Ohio will work with you to optimize your equipment and skill level. Golf Galaxy is committed to helping you improve your swing, equipment, and your confidence. With a wide variety of merchandise from tees, balls, equipment, shoes, and apparel, they will be able to fulfill your every need. Our highly trained and skilled employees at our club repair center will be able to take care of all the work, including regripping, lengthening and shortening clubs, reshafts, and vendor repairs. All done to the highest standard with guaranteed work in the shortest amount of time possible. At Golf Galaxy, customer service is the supreme concern. All customers are treated with the utmost respect, and we strive to meet any and all of their needs. All products are fairly priced, and Golf Galaxy is always running sales or promotions to help their customers get the best deals possible. If you are interested in a career at Golf Galaxy, please head to the website golfgalaxy.com to fill out an application, and a member from the store will contact you shortly thereafter. It is a great place to work, and you would enjoy your time working there.